So
Sir, in the exam, there is there any CQ?
MCQ from which part?
There will be
MCQ
only MCQ from chapter 3.
chapter 3. Yes, chapter 3 MCQ already I have discussed. So if you want, inshallah, you will revise again. No problem. Now, today we will discuss the arithmetic side. So dear students, first few minutes we will discuss basic content, actually different types of definitions, and the content related with the creative questions. Then after we will discuss creative questions. So now start. This is the chapter
We will
1.
practice MCQ today.
We will practice both MCQ and CQ today. Chapter 1.
Okay, sir.
So, dear students, last class we have done one creative questions. Today, do you know what is improper fractions? Anyone who can say the improper fractions?
Sir, me.
Yes. Fractions.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Where numerator is one second, sir. When numerator is greater than denominator, that is improper fraction.
So this the first is improper fractions. Another
Proper
one
fraction
is
and mixed fraction.
yes, improper fractions, proper fractions. Another one is mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. There are three types of fractions here: proper, improper, and mixed fractions. Yes, definitely you have to write this. Who can say the definitions of mixed fractions? Anyone? Mixed fractions. Who can say the definitions of mixed?
When a fraction have an integer and a proper fraction, then it's called mixed fraction.
Yes, thank you, Talha. Absolutely right answer. Proper fractions means numerator is smaller than denominator. Improper fractions means numerator is greater than denominator. Mixed fractions is a fractions. There are whole number and fraction. So we can write the definitions only here. The mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. Mixed fractions is a fractions mixed fraction is a fraction. The mixed fraction is a fraction formed by combining a whole number formed by combining a whole number and a fractions. Fractions and a fractions. For example, if one is
Kamal sir, please told them, just tell them to put their camera on, otherwise they will be removed.
Dear students, this is the instructions from higher authority. Each and every student should turn on their camera, otherwise they will be removed. So I am giving announcement to again, please turn on your camera and mute yourself. And if you have any questions to me, raise your hand, then host will allow you. So each and every student must turn on your camera. So
if you do not want to turn on your camera, you do not need to attend the class. Okay, you can leave.
Okay, miss, thank you.
You can leave the class.
One is whole number. One is whole number and 1/3 is Walaikum Assalam. 1 by 3 is fractions. Then mixed fraction is equals to 1 whole 1 by 3. 1 whole 1 by 3. So this is the definitions of mixed fractions. Sometimes you have to answer these definitions in creative part. Question number A. Define improper fractions or proper fractions, or what do you mean by the mixed fractions, or identify the 3 types of fractions, or define the 3 types of fractions. So this type of questions you have to answer also in the creative part. Do you have any questions in these 3 types of fractions?
আমি কি কিছু মিস করছি?
No,
Not
this,
wrong.
this is the first part we have done. The fractions, there are total 3 types of fractions: improper fractions, proper fractions, and the mixed fractions.
Okay,
So
sir.
we already know
Daniel,
the
put your
definitions
camera on.
of improper fractions and proper fractions. Then mixed fractions. Just we have write the definitions of the mixed fractions here with example. So now last class we have discussed here the prime number and co-prime number. Who can say the definitions of co-prime number? Anyone raise your hand? Yes.
Sir,
Of a number.
a number, I mean, when two numbers come,
Okay,
number
okay.
number.
two numbers having no common factors except one are called co-prime number.
Yes, Fardina Ahmed, thank you so much. Absolutely right answer, co-prime number. So, Talha bin Jaman, can you say the definitions of composite number? Talha bin Jaman. Talha, composite number, just opposite of prime number.
Oh, so if the number have,
Yes, the number have
more than
More-
similar factors.
more than one factors, then it's called composite.
Yes, I think your answer is nearly correct. Thank you so much. Anyone else? Tahmid?
Sir, when
Yes.
two numbers
If
have
the
common
number is
factors,
divisible by many
more than one is
numbers,
known
then
as
it's a prime
common
number.
factor.
Yes. Nahian, your answer is also correct. When a number is divisible by others number except beside
More than one
itself
factor.
or one, is called the composite number. So I think you know the fractions. Already we have discussed how to find the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions of different types of fractions. So now the first questions from the fractions. Add here 3 minus 1/3. Well, what will be result here? In the comment section, you can write your answer. Number 2, if I write here by using the fractions 3 divided by
2 by 3.
1 by 3 multiply with 1 by 3. So what will be its answer by using the fractions? Not direct answer, write in the comment section, or you can raise your hand. Please do not say directly answer. Number 1 and number 2. There are first one only subtractions. There are operation sign divide and multiply. So few students have number 1. You are writing in the comment section number 1. 2 whole 3 by 10. Number 2 3. Number 1 8 by 3. In the comment section you are writing. Nazmus, Tahmid, Talha, also Jubair Chaudhary. Okay, maximum student already you have done. Okay, now I will review your answer. Is it right or wrong? The first one we can write here a solution. The first one 3 minus 1/3. So there are 2 different methods. You can the first method just take the LCM of the fractions here. Here is fractions is only 1/3. So 3, its LCM will be 3. Now this is the whole number. If we see any whole number is directly multiplied with the LCM, so it will be 9 minus. So here LCM is 3, denominator is 3. Definitely if the LCM is divided by the denominator, answer is 1. So 1 multiply numerator 1. So first math answer is 8 by 3. This is the one method. Another method you can write like this: 1 by third. You can consider 3 by 1 by 3 by 1. 3 means 1 by or 1/3. So what is the LCM of 1 and 3? LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Now 3 is divided by 1. Result is 3. And 3 multiplied 3, there will be 9. Again, LCM is divided by the denominator 3. Answer is 1. 1 multiply 1. So this is now 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 divided by 3 is equals to 8 by 3. So there are two different methods, method 1 and method 2. So anyone you can apply, no problem.
Sir,
Yes.
can you show the mixed fraction?
Definitions of mixed fractions or the maths related with the mixed fractions?
Definition.
Okay, Baba. Okay, I will discuss again. Now, in the comment section, I will review how many students have done number 2. Nazmos and Talha bin Jaman, Ahmed, maximum students, you have done number 2 and your answer is 3. Okay. Whole number 2 and okay. 8 by 3. Jobai Sodure, your answer is 8 by 3. Okay, first question answer is right. Okay, thank you, Baba. Now let me review the second questions. So second questions here, question number 2, we can find the solution. 3 divided by 1 by 3 multiply with 1/3. So in times of simplifications, we all know we have to follow the formula of BODMAS, that is the sequence of simplifications. So divide and multiply. Yes, answer is 3, Baba. Okay, let me know. First we will do the operations of divide. So 3 multiply, divide converted into multiply. So this one will be 3 by 1. And now this right side multiply is okay. Now do the simplifications. All are multiplied here. So we can skip numerator 1 and denominator same factor. So now in the upper side, you see here 3 multiply 1, or denominator side is only 1. That is the 3 by 1, or directly you can write here 3, no problem. So second question answer is 3. Maximum student, you have done well. Thank you so much. Now I will give one maths by using the mixed fractions. So let me know. This is the question number 3. 3 whole 1/3 divided by 2 whole 3 and 2, multiply with 3 whole 3 1, subtract 1. So I will give you 1 minute around, dear students. Try to find the correct answer in question number 3, please. Each and every
Sir,
student, my
sir.
request to all of you. Yes.
Sir, 2 number take type bolte parben?
Number 2. Okay, this is the answer of number 2, Baba. Just see here. There are number 1 and number 2 together. You can see here. In the comment section, you can write answer. No direct answer. Number 3 is 1. Oh my God, maximum students already done. Number 3, Jobai Chaudhary, your answer is 3. Okay, let me review. Talha, what about Talha? And yes, Abrar, and session 613. Is there no Titash? Okay. Tasin Sarwar, what about you, Baba? Did you complete number 3? Tasin?
No, sir, I'm still doing.
Okay, Baba, please do hurry up. Fardin, give more attention, please try to correctly. Please, there are total around 50 students. My request to all of you, you maximum students should do this. And I believe you can do this properly.
My answer is 25 by 6.
25 by 6. I think who have said this answer?
Me.
Okay, Baba, please do in the comment section. No directly answer, Baba. Please do in the comment section. I will discuss. Thank you, Baba.
24/6.
24/6 your answer is. Okay. Okay, can we start now or do you need any more time?
স্যার আমার তো প্রায় হয়ে গেছে একটু
You can
দাঁড়ান
start.
Okay,
You can
Baba,
start.
thank you. Still now there are 9 to 10 students that they don't turn on their camera. My request to all of you, please, dear students, turn on your camera.
Some of the students, I put them in waiting room. So be careful. Who will not
Yes.
turn on their camera,
I
they
think
will be
already
waiting.
17 minutes gone, so I think they didn't. Those who didn't turn on their camera, you put them in the waiting room. Oh, okay. Talha bin Jaman, your answer is
স্যার
4.
answer হলো 24/6
Okay. Okay. Let me review. First, there are operations. First, we will convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So this one will be here. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10/3. Then divide, okay. And 3 2 just 6, 6 plus 2. Sorry, 3 to 8, 8/3. And multiply 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is a 10/3 and minus 1. So now we see here all mixed fractions converted into improper fractions. Now operation sign divide, multiply and subtraction. So we will do work on divide first. 10/3 divide, converted, multiply. This one will be 3/8. And this the right side one is okay. Okay, thank you, Baba. Let me review. So now this all are multiplied. So we can divide similar numerator and denominator. This is the 8 and there is 10. Okay, now if we divide by 2, there is this one will be 4. If we divide by 2, this one will be 5. So again, if we divide this one by 2, there will be 2. If we divide this 10 by 2, there will be 5. So what we see in the upper side, the total number is 5 multiply 5. Upper side number is 5 multiply 5. And the here is 2 multiply 3. And the right side is 1. So now 5 5 is 25. 3 2 just 6 minus 1. Now if we take the LCM here 6. This is the 25 minus 6 1 just 6. So now this is now 19 divided by, this one will be 19 divided by 6. So if we convert this one 3 times whole and 6 1. So why you have maximum student done mistake? I think this is my answer is not related with you. Why you have maximum student done mistake? This is not good, Baba. You should practice more and more. It's very easy maths. Maximum student you have done mistake. So
Why did we subtract it at the last?
this is the last one is given here. Subtraction 1 is given here in the math.
Can you show the number 2 again?
Okay, Baba. Thank you. Whose answer is correct? Number 3.
Sir, my one is correct.
Mine one.
Okay, thank you, Baba. Thank you. But maximum student, I have seen your comments. Maximum student, you have done mistake. This is not good, Baba. Should revise properly. Yes.
স্যার আপনি কি যেভাবে লাস্টে মিক্স ফ্র্যাকশন করেছেন এই এগুলো একটু বুঝিয়ে দিবেন?
How I have done mixed fractions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is now like 3 2/5. Suppose this is a mixed fraction. Why this one is called mixed fractions? Because there are two parts. The part 1, this is the whole number. This is the whole number, and part 2, there is a fractions. This is the fraction. So if in a fractions there are two parts, whole number and fractions together is called the mixed fractions. So if we convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions, anytime we can convert improper fractions to mixed or mixed to improper fractions. So now first step, here whole number multiply with the denominator. Whole number multiply with the denominator. Then add with numerator. And their denominator will be here. So now this is the 5 and here multiply first 15. plus 2. So they are 15 plus 2. This is the 17 by 5. So in this way, we can convert mixed fractions into improper fractions or improper fractions into mixed fractions. Is it now clear, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
Yes,
wanted to.
sir.
Yes. Another questions or?
Sir, I wanted to know how you make mixed fraction like 19 by 6.
Oh,
From 19
here, here 19 by 6. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now divide 19 by 6. Here 3 times 18. There are 1. So this is the quotient. Quotient will be whole number. And
Yes.
divisor will be denominator and remainder will be numerator. Is it now okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Baba. Okay. I will give another question. Maximum student you have done mistake. This is not good. Okay. And next questions by using the fractions. Number, is it the question number 4 or 5? Next question.
4.
Okay,
The
question
4.
number 5.
I joined
So,
late.
4.
okay, question number 4. Find,
Sir,
Is it
yes,
I joined late?
find HCF.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it chapter 1?
sir, will
Yes.
you give more CQ in this class?
Inshallah, we will practice on creative questions. We have still remaining around 20 minutes. Find the HCF of.
Sir, is
Find
it
the-
chapter 1?
Yes, this is from chapter 1. Find the HCF of 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and 8 by 6. Okay, please do not give the right, do not say the right answer. Please, in the comment section, you can write answer or you can raise your hand. Find the HCF of 1/3 and 8 by 6. HCF. So first step, you have to know the rules of HCF.
Answer is
or the
1 by
fraction.
3.
No direct answer, I have said. Please do not say the right answer. Please, in the comment section, you can write answer. Okay, one students already have done. And the comment section, you said answer is 1/3, 1/3. Jubair Chaudhary, your answer is 1/3. What about others? Tahmid, what is your answer? Talha and the Sarwar Jaman, Titash. I think you are writing the max. Yes, 8 by 3 and 1/3. Talha bin Jaman, your answer is 8 by 3. Okay, what about others? 1/3. Fardin Ahmed, your answer is 1/3. Taif Hassan, your answer is 1/3. Okay, let me review. Nahian, 505. What is your answer? Now unmute yourself. Nahian,
Yes, sir.
did you complete this maths?
Sir, আমি আধা বাদ দিয়ে গেছিলাম ভুল করে।
Okay, okay, Baba, please try. Okay, next. Arif, 509. Arif, B2, 509. Please, Baba, did you complete this answer? 509. Arif, you can unmute yourself. I am following your movement and okay. First step, what is the formula of HCF for the fractions? The numerator side HCF and the denominator side HCF. We know, okay, right here, we know HCF of a fractions, HCF of a fraction, HCF of a fraction is equals to HCF of the all numerators. Okay, HCF of all numerators, HCF of all numerators, HCF of all numerators, and LCM of all denominators. This is the formula. for finding HCF of the fraction. So here HCF of all numerators. So here numerators are 1 and 8. So now find the HCF of 1 and 8. Here HCF of 1, 8 is equals to 8. There is common factor is 1. And LCM of 3 and 6. This one will be 6. So in the right side, you can do the rough here. If you think you can do the rough here, how one is HCF? I think all of you know what about the HCF and LCM. So 3 and 6 by using Euclid method. 2, 1. Sorry, this one will be 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. So this is now 3 multiplied 2. This is the 6. And the factors of 1. 1 factors means 1 and 8 factors are 1, 2. 8 factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. This is the common factor is 1. So that's why HCF is 1, LCM is 6. HCF is 1, LCM is 6. So fraction is now. So HCF of 1/3, 8 by 6. So this is the HCF of numerators. HCF of numerators is 1. LCM of denominators is 6. So our answer is 1 by 6. So dear students, note down this one properly. I hope this is very clear to all of you. Do you have any more question?
No, sir.
স্যার আমি আগে এলসিএম অফ ফ্র্যাকশন কিভাবে করতে তো জানতাম না, আজকে জানলাম।
Thank you, Baba. Okay, so you will practice more. Thank you so much. So this is the HCF of fraction. Just HCF of fractions, HCF numerator, LCM denominator. In times of LCM, just opposite work. LCM upper side and lower side is
LCM of
HCF.
numerators divided by HCF of denominators.
Yes, thank you, absolutely right. Now we will practice on creative questions related with our this content. So be prepared. We have remaining 12 minutes. Inshallah, we will try to answer this one.
স্যার ফোন নাম্বার টাইপ করে দেখেন, আমি নোট করছি।
Okay, Baba. Inshallah,
After
inshallah.
this class, can you show the number 1?
Number 1. Okay. I think this is the full answer of. Okay, please see here. This is the full answer of question number 4. Those who have missed number 1 and number 2 and number 3. So I will review after the class. Please now give attention in the creative questions. So this is the question of number 4. Did you complete 4?
The creative
Yes,
chapter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
From which chapter will you give the creative question?
we are doing chapter 1 already. Last class we have started. Number 1, chapter 1. Can you see the creative questions properly?
Yes,
স্যার
So I think, do you know the definitions of number A?
Yes, sir.
স্যার
So today we have discussed. Okay, now I will call your name. You have to answer. Already we have done this one today. Now let me find out the hidden students. I think there are now those who didn't turn on their camera. I will not ask any question. 532, Kaji Armanur Rahman. 532, Baba, unmute yourself. 532. 532, unmute yourself. Okay, next. Rubayat Karim, unmute yourself and say the answer of number A. Rubayat Karim.
Sir, can I take a bit of time?
Oh, it's very easy. Already we have discussed today.
Define
Okay.
proper and improper fraction.
Definitions
The
of
proper
Yes.
proper fraction. Sir, will I say the definition?
Yes.
The
Define
proper
means-
fraction is a fraction. The proper fraction is a fraction in which the denominator is bigger. Denominator is big and the numerator is small, and the
Yes,
improper
yes.
fraction is a fraction in which denominator is small and the numerator is big.
Yes, thank you. Absolutely right answer, Baba. Thank you so much. I think you can answer the number A.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, thank you, Baba. Now we will do here number B. So, oh my God, it's so, okay, this is the 200%. That's why. Okay, now,
to copy the question.
okay, you can take the screenshot or
This math is given in the book. Sir, can you zoom again?
yes, Baba. Inshallah, I will try to upload this content. No problem. If you miss any word, you can see. Okay, this is
আমি
now.
স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নিয়েছি
Okay, thank you, Baba. Do hurry up, number B. In times of increasing order, first step we have to convert all number into the common denominators. আমরা এখানকার সবগুলো ফ্র্যাকশনকে কমন ডিনোমিনেটরে কনভার্ট করব। এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের অ্যাসেন্ডিং অর্ডার অথবা ডিসেন্ডিং অর্ডারের ফার্স্ট কাজ। We have to convert all fractions in the common denominator or equal denominators. So here black equal arrange the above fractions in increasing order. What is the meaning of increasing order?
So for smaller to bigger.
Yes.
Small to bigger.
Okay. Right here, black. Yes.
This question was smaller to bigger.
Sorry.
Smaller to bigger. I think this question was in the assignment.
Almost related with our assignment. আমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে ছিল ওয়াল। আমরা এটাকে একটু চেঞ্জ করে দিয়েছি। Yes, thank you, Baba. The black equal 5 4/25. Please do hurry up. Black and then color is green. Green equal 7 whole 1/4. We can write here meter. Okay. Another one is red. Red color is equal 3 whole 1/2. 3 whole 1/2 meter. We can convert this one into improper fraction to mixed fractions. So first 5 multiply 25 plus 4. 129 divided by
25.
yes, this is the meter. Why? 5 times 125 plus 4. Yes, 7 times 4, 28. This is the now 29/4 meter. And this one is now 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7/2 meter. So, dear students, first here denominators of the fractions. So right here, denominators of the given fractions or of the given fractions. Denominator of the given fractions are 25, 4, and 2. So now first find their LCM. What will be their LCM? We can try in Euclid method. This is very and easiest method. This is by 2, 25, 2, and 1. There is no any, okay. So LCM of all denominators, LCM of denominators, denominators, what will be LCM? 2 multiply 25
100.
multiply 2, and this is 100. Thank you, Baba. So now right here the step by step. First one is black. Okay, right here now black. What is black questions? Anyone?
129.
So 129/25.
129/25. 129/25. So now what is the next step? Who can say?
Evaluate. Divide করতে হবে, multiply, no?
Yes, first LCM should be divided by the denominators. Like here LCM is 100 divided by denominator 25. What will be result?
4.
This is the 4. So 4 multiply both upper side and
both up and
lower
down.
side. Yes. So 4 multiply here, 25 multiply 4. So anyone please do multiply 190, 129. So it's your time.
Answer in the comment box.
129 multiply 4. Now green color. Green is equals to what is green? Anyone? Green portions.
39/4.
29/4.
Yes, 29/4. So So now 29 by 4 means there will be 25. So 29 multiply 25, and there is 4 multiply 25. And next one, okay, next one we can do here. Next color is red.
Red is 7 by 2.
Yes, red is 7 by 2. So 100 divided by 2, there will be 50. And then 7 multiply 50. So now just do complete here. 129 multiply. In the all denominator will be 100. All denominator. Yes.
will be 916.
Yes, black will be 916. Okay, let me review your answer. All, okay, there will be 100 in the denominator. Okay, 129 multiply 4. Anyone please do? 129.
516.
Is the 516? Yes, 516. Thank you so much. 29 multiply 25.
724.
725, Baba. 725. Yes. Next, this is the 350.
350.
So now, if we give attention in their answer now, just easily we can identify which one is the greater numerator. Greater numerator.
725 by 100.
So right here,
725 by 100.
Yes, 725 by 100. Then next numerator.
516 by 100.
by 100. Then the next numerator.
450 by 100.
350 by 100.
Okay, ascending order. Yes, ascending order. This is not our answer. We have to write our this is the previous fraction. So 725 came from 29
7 1 by 4.
Or,
7 1 by 4.
So green, black, or red.
you can write 29 by 4. Then 516 came from 120.
129 by 25.
129 by 25. Then 350 came from
7 by 2.
Okay, now convert this one again, or 29 came from. Okay, this is mixed
5
fractions.
4 7 1 by 4.
7 whole 1 by 4. Then
Sir, you have done
5 4 by 25.
4 by 25.
yes,
4
4 by
by
2. Yes, 4 by 25.
1 by 2. 3 teacher
1 by 1 by 4.
Yes, so this is our answer in ascending order. Thank you, Baba. Maximum is this your feedback was just awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, this is the full answer of question number B. We have remaining.
Okay, sir, আমার হয়ে গেছে।
We have remaining 1 minute. Just we will take 1 minute extra, dear host, please. Okay. Now number C. Start the question number C. What is requirement? Unpainted portions. How we can find the unpainted portions? Number C.
all the portions and then subtract by 1.
Yeah. Total minus colored portions. Total
Sir.
length of the bamboo. Yes.
Sir, increasing order means from smaller to greater.
Increasing order means increasing order means
Yep.
yes, আমরা এখানে একটা yes, দেখো বাবা, ও কিন্তু অনেক সুন্দর একটা কথা বলেছিল। আমরা কিন্তু সবাই এটাকে স্কিপ করে আসছি। আমাদের কোশ্চেনের রিকোয়ারমেন্ট হচ্ছে ইনক্রিজিং অর্ডার, বাট আমরা এখানে কি করছি বলো?
ডিক্রিজিং অর্ডার
তাহলে এখন আমরা সাইনটাকে চেঞ্জ করে দিব। এটা হচ্ছে সবচেয়ে দিস ইজ দ্য গ্রেটার। ওকে, আমরা আনসার লেখার সময় যেহেতু আমাদের রিকোয়ারমেন্ট হচ্ছে ছোটটা ফার্স্ট, সো 3 1 by 2 is a smaller than 5 4 by 25, that is smaller than yes, আমরা এটাকে একটু চেঞ্জ করে লিখব। So this is the next. Okay, number C. Unpaid.
C number, we have to add all of this and then we have to subtract it with 25.
Yes, thank you, Baba. Okay, length of the bamboo. Length of the bamboo is 25 meter. So total colored portions. Total colored parts. So total colored part we can write here in the mixed fractions. So total colored part is আমরা এখান থেকে লিখে নেই। Okay,
4 by 25.
3 1 by 2 plus 5 whole 4 by 25 plus 1 by 4. So আমরা এখান থেকে আমাদের জট কাট হচ্ছে মিক্স ফ্র্যাকশন গুলোকে ইমপ্রপার ফ্র্যাকশনসে কনভার্ট করব।
7 by 2 plus
7 by 2 plus 129 by 25 plus
29 by 4.
29 by 4. So already আমরা LCM করে আসছি আগের ম্যাথে, আমরা এখানে ডিরেক্টলি LCM লিখতে পারবো। This LCM is 100. Now 7 multiply 50. 50 plus 129 multiply 4 plus 29 multiply 25. So 7, this is the 350 plus, what will be answer? 725, is it?
725.
725 plus, then what is the next answer?
Sir,
29
516.
is the
It's 516. 516.
516 divided by 100. So now সবাই একটু দ্রুত অ্যাড করে নাও। This is 100. 6 plus 5 11, 11 1, carry 1. 3 plus 5 8, 8 and 9. Yes.
Sir, 129 multiply 4 will be 516 and 29 multiply 25 will be 725.
Yes, so already we have done this one. এখানে আমরা কি কোথাও মিস্টেক করছি বাবা? দেখো তো আমরা কি কোথাও ভুল করে আসছি? 350, 725 and 516. So I hope we have done correctly. So now do add. 6 plus 5 11, carry 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 1 9. There is no 5 7 12. This is yes 12 plus 3 15. Am I right? 1591.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now convert this one. This is the meter. So unpainted color.
Sir, it is 1043.
I mean just 10 seconds. Unpainted color total minus color portions.
Sir, color
One-
spelling will be COLOUR.
COLOR I think also is maybe correct. LOUR, তাই না? Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you, Baba.
Sir, COLOR is in American accent.
Okay, thank you. Both are right. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Titash. Okay, this is the meter. So there will be 100. 2500 minus 1591 meter.
9 by 100.
So do the subtraction. What will be answer? 9.
9
Then
whole 100.
this is the 10 0. Then there 10 0 91. Is it only 9? No. Is a 500 5 9 1.
9.
Like okay, I have done mistake here.
Yes, sir. So there
Is
will
909 or something?
Yes, sir. 909.
Okay, let me review. 191591.
909.
Okay, thank you. 909. I think 909 divided by 100. So if you divide, you will get here 9 times 109. So this is 9 times and 9. So this is our meter. This is an unpainted portions answer.
Sir,
So
side
yes. Yes,
Yes,
Baba, thank you so
Sounds
much.
good.
So you can see now full answer of question number C. So dear students,
number 1.
so thank you so much. Yes,
Yes,
if you have any questions, inshallah, I will try to upload
Number 1,
this
sir. Number
content.
1.
Okay, number 1, Baba, why you late? Number 1, just information. There is no any. Just do the calculations here.
Thank you, sir.
3 minus 1, sir. So dear students, thank you so much. Hope to see you all in the next classes and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum